If you're tired of that one room in your house feeling like a sauna while the rest of the place is a walk-in freezer, you've probably started looking at ductless mini splits. I'm the HVAC repair guy. I spent my early days as an electrician in nuclear power plants before trading the reactor floor for the dirt and attics of the HVAC service world. Over 17 years in the field has taught me one thing. Technical specs on a brochure don't mean a lick if the unit can't survive a real-world summer. Today, we're doing a fair apple-to-apple comparison between the AireForce 22 SEER2 Multi-Zone and the Danby DAS Series. When we're talking ductless, we aren't worried about heavy steel cabinets or louvered panels. We're looking at how these units handle the elements and how flexible they are for your home. The AireForce 22 SEER2 is a powerhouse built for versatility, supporting up to 5 zones and featuring a coated coil to fight off corrosion. It even includes a sealing unit option if you want to keep the tech out of sight. Now, looking at the Danby DAS Series, it's a single zone contender. One major red flag for me as a service tech, the data shows the Danby lacks a coated coil. In my world, an unprotected coil is a ticking clock for a refrigerant leak, especially if you live anywhere near salt air. On the electrical side, both of these units utilize inverter technology with variable speed compressors and condenser fans. Coming from a nuclear electrical background, I can tell you that inverters are the secret sauce. Instead of your electrical meter spinning like a top every time a single stage motor kicks on, these systems ramp up and down smoothly. The AireForce edges ahead with a 22 SEER2 rating compared to Danby's 21 SEER. That higher efficiency combined with its variable speed tech means a lighter load on your breaker panel and a smaller dent in your monthly power bill. Are you looking at these for a garage, a guest suite, or a specific room that's always too hot? Let me know in the comments. This is where the rubber meets the road. If a compressor dies, you want to know who has your back. Danby offers a flat 5-year warranty on both the unit and the compressor. AireForce gives you 5 years on the unit and bumps the compressor protection up to 7 years. Neither of these offers a no-hassle unit replacement, but that extra 2 years on the AireForce compressor is a significant safety net when you're looking at a major repair bill down the road. After 17 years of seeing what breaks and what lasts, I'm giving the win to the AireForce 22 SEER2 Multi-Zone. It wins on build quality because it actually protects its coils with specialized coatings, it offers better multi-zone mounting flexibility, and it carries a stronger compressor warranty. To shop like a pro, head over to the HVAC for Beginners website and use my head-to-head tool to compare over 170 models. Make sure you hit subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one.